Hi everybody! Today I'll explain to you how to use the new version of the Yakify Google Chrome extension to get automatic quotation for the dropshipping products that you want to buy. No more waiting for you. Now our image recognition technology can recognize a product picture, find it in a huge database with more than 12 million products, and can give you back a quotation with shipping prices for more than 100 countries in a matter of minutes. So let's start using the new Yakify Google Chrome extension. First of all, you need to visit the Yakify dashboard and click on the Install button, or visit the Chrome web store and search for Yakify. Remember, you need to use Google Chrome as your browser. The extension will not work on mobile or on other browsers. After installing the Google Chrome extension, click on the icon and log in with the same credentials that you used to register on Yakify. Here you will see a list of stores allowed. Visit one of these marketplaces and search for a product that you like. Then go on the product page, click on the icon of our Google Chrome extension, select a shipping destination, and click the Start Search button. Bear in mind that Yakify software will calculate the shipping price for all the countries we ship to, over 100, after you have selected a specific product and supplier. The extension will give you the option to choose only one shipping country at the beginning of the process, in order for you to have an idea of the shipping price we offer. This does not mean that you have to ship exclusively to that one country. Once you choose your supplier, you will be able to see all other shipping prices for the product page. When you click on the Start Search button, you will see a series of images, and you will need to deselect the ones that don't show the products you're looking for. In this way, you will give to our Google Chrome extension all the info that it needs to source your products in our huge supplier database and give back a quotation for the same products brought directly from factory at B2B prices. After clicking the Start Search button, wait a few seconds. The quotation can appear right away or in a matter of minutes. In any case, you can still navigate to other pages and search for additional products. When the quotation is ready, you will receive a notification on your browser. At this point, you can check out the results directly inside your Google Chrome extension by clicking on the Lens button like this. Click on the product and see if the item found is the one that you were looking for. Check out the product price and shipping cost. If everything is okay, click on the button Choose Product. If the extension did not find the product or the item found is not the right one, you can request a quotation to our sales team by clicking the Request a Quotation button. In this case, a new request will appear in your Yakify dashboard under Request Dropshipping in yellow. You need to wait between 3 and 5 days to receive quotation from our staff. You can see the result of your image recognition request also on your dashboard, visiting Request Image Search tab. In this Image Search tab, you will find a list of the products that you search for, and near each product a rounded symbol. Yellow means that the research is not finished yet and you need to wait more. Red means that we didn't find the product that you were looking for. Green thick means that we found a product that is exactly the same as the one you searched for. Green question mark. We found a product that we're not sure is exactly the same as you have searched for. If the symbol is in a red or green question mark, you can ask for a new quotation, this time to a real person, by clicking on the Request a Quote button. At this point, your request will be transferred under Request Dropshipping, and one of our IPO will complete it manually within 3 to 5 working days. If the symbol is a green thick, it means that quotation is ready, and you can click on the product title to see the result. Often it happens that our Google Chrome extension can find more than one supplier for the same item, and you will see more than one option. You can choose the supplier that you prefer, considering the price, the shipping cost, the product variance, and click on the Choose Product button. If you choose a supplier that doesn't have the shipping price, when you click on the Select Product button, you will create a new request under Dropshipping section, and a Chinese colleague will quote the shipping for you. If you choose a product that has both the product price and shipping price, you can find your products under Request Dropshipping in green. At this point, you can visit your product page, look at the shipping price for all the countries available, and import the product on your store. If you want, you can import a product directly from the Yakify Chrome extension in your store by clicking first here on the lens, choose the product, and by selecting the correct store here. So what do you think? Now you can have B2B prices for your dropshipping products without waiting anymore for your quotations. Start using your Yakify Chrome extension right now. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe.